Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify glitch. Do you know how to fix or how to solve Spotify glitch? You should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to the window of Spotify. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. If you find here update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.